7 reasons why most Pinoys don't save money. Importante na malaman mo ang reasons dahil baka isa ka sa hindi nag-iipon. Hello everyone! Roan Celis here from 1 Million Club. In my 3 years as financial mentor, marami na akong nakausap na walang ipon at ayaw mag-ipon. Alam ko na ang mga dahilan nila. At sana marami kang matutunan sa video na to. At kung isa ka sa hindi nag-iipon, sana makatulong sa'yo to. First reason, instant gratification. Madalas pag sweldo, lalabas agad tayo kasama mga office mate. Sasabihan kang, KJ pag di ka sumama, kakasweldo lang naman. Mahilig din tayo sa sale. You want to reward yourself. Syempre napagod ka sa pagtatrabaho Uunahin mo sale kesa sa retirement. Kasi ang sale hanggang mamayang gabi na lang. Ang retirement mo, 20 years from now pa. Mahilig din tayong mag-travel kasama ng barkada. Again, instant gratification. Gusto natin ma-enjoy agad ang sweldo, kaya ginagastos agad natin to. Second reason, may mauutangan naman ako. Madalas tayong mabiktima ng magic words na shop now, pay later. Di natin alam na ang ibig sabihin pala nito ay shop now, regret later. Dahil napautang ka sa credit card, you will regret later. Dahil may malaking interest to na kailangan mong bayaran. Marami tayong pwedeng utangan. Relatives, bumbay, credit card, SSS loan, pag-ibig loan, company loan. Dahil marami kang mauutangan, madalas pagkapos, utang ang naiisip mong solusyon. Tandaan, hindi solusyon ang pag-utang. Third reason, poverty mindset. Nung estudyante pa tayo, nasanay tayo na pag may baon, ginagastos natin lahat, walang natitira. Kaya nung nagtrabaho na tayo, pagka-receive ng salary, binabawas agad natin yung gastos, madalas, walang natitira o ipon. Pag ang formula mo, salary minus expense, ang tawag dyan, poverty formula. Ang dapat, pagka-receive mo ng income, bawas mo muna yung savings. Saka mo i-budget ang natitira. Ang tawag dyan, prosperity formula. Ikaw, ano ang formula mo? Prosperity formula is the secret of the wealthy. Fourth reason, social status. Sa FB, usong-uso ang selfie. Selfie sa mamahaling restaurant, selfie kasama ng bagong gadget. Kaya madalas, ang definition natin sa mayaman ay yung mukhang sosyal. Ang mayaman para sa atin ay yung may bahay, may kotse, may latest gadget. Pero di natin alam o hindi natin nakikita na ang akala nating mayaman, marami palang utang. Ang bahay niya ay kinuha lang through pag-ibig loan. Kotse niya naka-auto loan. Credit card ang gamit niya para magka-latest gadget. Importante ang financial literacy. Huwag kang papabiktima sa social status. Fifth reason, malaki naman ang sweldo ko. 50,000 a month naman ang sweldo ko. Okay na ako. 100,000 a month ang sweldo ng asawa kong nasa abroad. Okay na ako. May kasabihan na, it's not how much you earn that counts. It's what you keep. Pwedeng 50,000 a month ang sweldo mo pero 50,000 din naman a month ang gastos mo so walang ipon. Sino ba talaga ang mayaman? Madalas napagkakamalan nating si office girl. Kaya lang, kahit 50,000 a month ang sweldo ni office girl, kung 50,000 a month din ang gastos niya, wala siyang ipon. Talo pa siya ni maid na kahit 5,000 a month lang ang sweldo, nakakaipon naman ng 2,000 a month. Again, sino ba talaga ang mayaman? Kahit professional ka, kung wala kang ipon, mas okay pa ang financial status ng maid. Di din habang buhay na malaki ang sweldo mo o nung asawa mo na nasa abroad, kaya importante na may ipon ang pamilya. Sixth reason, responsibility. Do you love your family? Definitely, yes. Madalas kaya di tayo nakakaipon, inuuna natin ang pamilya. I'm a breadwinner. I know how it feels to have a big responsibility. I know how important it is to give to our family. But giving does not always mean helping. Natataon ba na pagsweldo, may emergency na kailangan bayaran sa bahay? Baka naman ang umaasa sa'yo e tamad o nanonood lang sa bahay habang ikaw nag-o-overtime, napagalitan ka pa ng boss mo. Are you really helping them? To the point na you forget yourself, na wala kang ipon. Tandaan, walang nag-iipon para sa'yo. Love yourself. Save for your future. Last reason, procrastination or delaying. One day delay in execution equals one day delay in hitting your goal. One day delay in saving money is equal to one day delay in hitting your financial goal. Later means never. If you save money, makakatulong yan para ma-hit mo dreams mo for your family. Ano ba yung dreams mo? We want quality education for kids. We want quality time with family. Pero kung di ka makapag-save, pwedeng mahirapan kang ma-hit ang dreams mo. Instead of quality education for kids, instead of private school, public school na lang. Instead of quality time with family, no time or less time dahil kailangan mo mag-overtime to pay off your bills and debts. Kaya when it comes to saving money, don't procrastinate, don't delay. Again, 7 reasons why most Pinoys don't save money. First reason, instant gratification. Second reason, may mauutangan naman ako. Third, poverty mindset. Fourth reason, social status. Fifth reason, malaki naman ang sweldo ko. Sixth reason, responsibility. Lastly, procrastination or delaying. How big or small your money is depends on your belief about money. If your belief is like the belief of most Pinoys, you will end up like majority, no savings or deeply in debt. No savings means more debts, stressful life, more overtime. Unfortunately, you become a slave of money. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is financial education. Invest time to educate yourself. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com or email me at roan@1millionclub.com to learn more about investments. Thank you for watching this video.